Hello everyone, today we have a very useful video. If you are completely locked out of your Samsung phone because you forgot your password or PIN, you are not alone. I will show you exactly how to bypass the lock screen and factory reset your device immediately. Let's get started. First, press and hold the volume down button and the power button at the exact same time. Keep holding both buttons down firmly until the screen goes completely black. This step is crucial because modern Samsung phones will not allow you to power them off normally without entering your password first, so you have to force the hardware to cut the power cycle. If your phone just takes a screenshot when you press the buttons, simply ignore it and keep holding them down until the device powers off. Next, the very second your screen goes completely black, quickly switch your fingers to press and hold the volume up button and the power button together. Keep holding both of these buttons down until the phone turns back on and the dark Android recovery menu appears on the screen. This step directly boots your phone into its core system menu, allowing you to make administrative changes completely outside of the locked Android operating system. If your phone just reboots back to your normal lock screen, you didn't switch the buttons fast enough. Simply hold volume down and power to shut it off again and try the new combination right as the screen goes black. Finally, once you are on the Android recovery screen, use your volume down button to scroll through the text until you highlight Wipe Data Factory Reset. Press the power button to select it, then use the volume keys again to scroll down to Factory Data Reset and press the power button to confirm. Doing this completely erases all data, apps, and settings on the device, including the forgotten lock screen password, restoring it to its original factory state. Once the reset is finished, the menu will pop up again. Simply highlight Reboot System Now and press the power button to turn your freshly reset phone back on. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.